These palette picture frames are so easy to make and don't take a lot of time to make at all. I'm going to start first step with cutting the board. I am using the handsaw from Dollar Tree. You'll see me using that a lot. My daughter is autistic and loud noise bother her. So if I'm working in the house, I prefer to use the quieter tools. These boards are pretty thin, so I'm going to cut 2 pieces and then I'm going to glue them together. After you're done cutting them, move your pieces around and see what pieces sit together better. I'm going to use 60 grit sandpaper and then I'm going to use a sanding block. When sanding wood, always make sure to look for pieces of wood sticking out so you don't get any slivers. After my boards are sanded and wiped off, I'm going to use 2 jumbo-sized popsicle sticks and I'm going to use hot glue to glue the boards together. To paint these boards, I'm going to use craft acrylic paint. I'm using a bluish teal color and espresso brown. To give it a weathered look, I'm going to use the espresso brown. I'm going to paint some on the sides. I'm going to paint some on the holes, any cracks or any divots that are on the board. And then I'm going to use a paintbrush and dry brush it. A lot of people find this process a little intimidating, but there is no right or wrong way to do this. If you don't like it, you can always sand it and paint it and start all over again. I'm going to make a small bow for the corner of the frame. A little tip for making bows: if you have problems making them, use a bread tie or floor wire or any kind of wire you have and tie it, twist it in the middle, and then use like a piece of fabric or whatever you're going to use to cover it. It's so simple to make a bow that way. I'm going to use the twine to hold the picture in place. I'm going to glue it to the back of the frame. If you don't want to use twine, you can also use a clothesline pin, a clothesline clip. You can also use a clothesline thing to clip the picture in. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.